Unraveling the mystery, wasting away the day. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard but might not fully understand: wasting away the day. It's a common expression in English, and understanding it can add a lot of nuance to your conversations and comprehension. So, let's get started and explore what it really means to waste away the day. At first glance, wasting away the day might seem like a straightforward expression, but there's more to it than meets the eye. This phrase is composed of two key components: wasting away and the day. Wasting away suggests a gradual reduction or loss of something valuable, while the day refers to the time period of a single day. When combined, these elements describe a situation where someone is letting the precious hours of a day pass by without making good use of them. Context is crucial when it comes to understanding how and when this phrase is used. Wasting away the day is often used to describe situations where someone might be procrastinating, being lazy, or simply not being productive. It's not always a negative expression. Sometimes, it's used lightheartedly to describe a relaxed day without any specific plans or obligations. However, it can also serve as a gentle critique or self-reflection on how one chooses to spend their time. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. I had so much to do, but I just ended up wasting away the day watching TV. Sometimes, wasting away the day at the beach is the perfect way to recharge. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, highlighting both a productive and relaxing interpretation depending on the context. When using wasting away the day, it's important to consider the tone and context of your conversation. It can be a self-reflective statement about personal productivity, or a light-hearted comment about taking a break. Remember, the key to effectively using this phrase lies in the message you want to convey to your listeners or readers. And there you have it. You now understand what wasting away the day means and how to use it in various contexts. Whether you're discussing productivity, relaxation, or simply commenting on how you or someone else spends time, this phrase can add depth to your English conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.